As we are getting closer to the launch of Pixel 7 Pro, we are getting more details of Pixel 7 Pro. First, it was Google, and now we are getting the official renders of both Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Now, why these are important? Because this is the first look at the Pixel 7 Pro display, where we see a less curvy display compared to the last generation Pixel 6 Pro, but the display resolution will remain the same, 6.7 inches 120Hz LTPO display, and the Pixel 7 will come with a slightly less bezel, and the size will be 6.3 inches 90Hz display. The color on the both Pixel 7 and 7 Pro was already confirmed, but what more exciting is the Amazon listing of Pixel 7, which confirms a couple of features of Pixel 7. The base model price is $599 and two storage options, 128GB and 256GB, along with 8GB of RAM. No 512GB version available, and the bigger brother Pixel 7 Pro will cost around $899, beating the competitor over $1,000 phones. The listing confirmed the release date, which is October 13, but Google will launch the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro on October 6, along with the Pixel Watch and Pixel Buds. The pre-orders will start from the same day, and if you pre-order Pixel 7 and 7 Pro from Target, you guys will get $100 credit on Pixel 7 and $200 credit on Pixel 7 Pro. The listing also suggests that the new Tensor Gen 2 chipset, as we talked about how Tensor Gen 2 chipset will bring some of the significant changes in photography, where we might see a 20% performance jump in the GPU, which will improve the camera on the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. But don't expect big benchmarks numbers on Tensor Gen 2 chipset, since the CPU update is small and far behind the competitors, but it is certain that the Pixel 7 Pro will be the best photography camera phone of this year. The camera on the both Pixel 7 and 7 Pro gets an update. With the new sensor, Samsung 3J1 is coming to the both Pixel 7 and 7 Pro front camera, which is 11 megapixel instead of 8 megapixel on Pixel 7, and this sensor will also bring autofocus. The back camera on the Pixel 7 Pro will get an update. The telephoto 48 megapixel will get a new sensor, Samsung GM1 sensor, and the main shooter will be 50 megapixel and 12 megapixel ultra wide, same as last year. The battery on the Pixel 7 also gets an update, where we will see 4700 mAh instead of 4614 mAh on the Pixel 6. And as per rumors, Pixel 7 Pro will get a same 5000 mAh battery. But don't be sad, since the new Tensor Gen 2 chipset is more power efficient than the last generation, so we might see a better battery backup on the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Luckily, Google is going after a user experience where they updated machine learning by 35%. It's hard to say how well the Pixel 7 Pro will perform against the other competitors, but if you want to know how much powerful will it be, then you can check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.